Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free creative fonts on Dityline Studio. So here you can access Dityline Studio, bring your creative projects to life with fonts, graphic, presentation template, and so on. You can click it or tap it on your phone. Here there are some fonts that paid $25, for example, for the DX lactose and DX glitter with only $19, DX iter, and so on. So in order to get the free one, you can tap three stripes at the top of your screen and tap on freebies. This one is the free one, the freebies that you can download for free. Here, for example, the lactose free demo versions. But if you try the regular one, you can try to pay it. So in order to download these OTF and TTF that you can install on your phone, you can try to enter your valid email address and download now. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.